Hey, what's going on my friends? Miller Brady here and welcome to my channel. On this video, I will show you how to generate leads in social media. Because social media right now is probably the easiest way for you to generate leads and build an audience rather than, when you're starting out, rather than paying lots of money in ads. And that will definitely hurt if you don't know what you're doing. But in social media, it's totally free. You just have to follow a simple three-step blueprint that I'm going to teach you in order for you to build an audience in social media and actually generate leads in social media. So stay tuned. And before we go on to the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online, and we're going to be talking about marketing, motivation, and mindset because these are the three things that you need to learn in order to be successful online. And if you're interested in this type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, let's go on to the video. So as you see here that I open up my Twitter account, my Instagram account, and my Facebook account. So this is the medium, the social media platform that I'm currently using. And actually my next step is to learn LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is probably the last thing because I haven't used that before, or other than Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So before I show you how you generate leads here, I want to share with you a marketing principle or a basic in marketing because I want you to, I don't want to miss out something that you will learn in marketing, especially in social media, because it's really tricky if you don't know what you're doing. But if you know the blueprint and you know what you're doing, you're gonna actually build a sustainable business in social media alone, right? So first things first, right? Before you we use social media, you have to find out who is your target audience. So let me go here on my whiteboard again. So first one is, who is your target audience? Like, who is the type of person that you want to serve, right? So like me, I'm serving people who are in the make money online niche, right? MMO. Like if you want to learn how to make money, those are the type of people that I want to help, right? And it's based on the niche that I chose for myself, right? So there are three types of niche that you can get into, right? If you don't know, if you don't have any niche, right? One is wealth, like money. The other one is health, and the other one is relationship. So these are the two profitable niches that are actually evergreen, meaning you won't run out of customer. So if you oh, I forget the L here. So if you wanna start out, I suggest you start out in these three niches. Just pick one because you will create a content for that specific niche, right? So target audience, who are the people that you want to serve? Like, but if you don't like to talk about wealth, health, or relationship, there's other tons of things that you can talk about. Like if you want to talk about cats, like grooming cats, dogs, right? If you're a pet lover, specifically if you want to talk about lizards, like if you have a pet lizard, you teach people who wants to have a pet lizard and you teach them how to take care of their pet lizard, right? And there's tons of stuff, like you can talk about gadgets, right? Technology, other stuff, right? If you don't want to be in the wealth, health, and relationship. So pick an audience because, right? Next is, let me clear this up. Once you pick your audience, you now need to create content specifically for them, right? Because that is how you establish yourself as a person that not really an expert, but as a person that can actually help them, right? You give them what they want. Like for me, like I'm teaching people how to make money online, so I give them what they want. I give them what they need to know in order to make money online. All right. So you need to create content specifically for your target audience, right? So that's it, guys. So again, we're gonna talk about you get your target audience and sorry about that, target audience and content, right? So once you get that clear, you will now then try to build an audience. So I'm gonna show you my social media. Like here on my Twitter, I have 4,000 followers now, and it's really growing every single minute. Actually, if you can see here, I tweeted for those who follow me like 8 minutes, 9 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago, 49 minutes ago, meaning I have tons of people that are following me. And when they follow me, I tweet them and I mention them on my tweet, right? So it's because that I put myself out there as a person that will actually help them make money online. So if you see my profile, I design it in a way that when they see me, they will see me as a person that is about making money online, right? So um, I will create a content based on those people that wants information about how to make money online, and that's how they follow me, right? That's how I get followers in Twitter. That's the same thing with Instagram and on Facebook, right? So I don't know how to see my followings that people are following me on Facebook. Okay, more followers here. So right now I have 467 followers. Besides from the people that I have friends with, I actually cleaned up my Facebook profile. I actually unfriended a lot of people that are actually engaging with my content because that's hurting my exposure with Facebook, right? So right now I have 467 followers. It's because, right, again, I position myself as a person that it's all about making money online, being an entrepreneur, providing content, providing a value, right? Giving what they want, right? Giving my target audience what they want. And if you're in your social media, this is my one tip, guys, is that you always provide proof, right? So let's see here that I have put on my Facebook profile that I have 4,000 followers. So that means the reason it's actually by intention that I put it here is because I wanna attract people that want to learn how to grow 4,000 followers in Twitter, right? Because you're gonna be amazed on how many people out there that doesn't actually know how to grow their Twitter followers, their Instagram followers, right? Actually, if you see here on my Instagram profile, I don't know if I can show you insights on my Instagram. Okay, I don't know if I can show you, but let me see here on my phone. Because here, so you can actually see here on my phone. Right, I don't know if you can see here. I hope you see it. So in the last 7 days, I have 477 profile visits on my Instagram account. So that's how you attract people towards to you, because you create content, right? You create something of value. You give them what they want, and that's how you grow your following, right? So same here with Twitter, right? I provide them with value, something that they need, right? So that's how you generate leads in social media, right? And here in Twitter, I will show you how you can generate leads in Twitter. You use I have a link here on my bio, my pinned tweet, my tweets. Some of them have links and direct messages. Same here with Instagram. You have your affiliate link here. I have offering a free book on my Instagram. That's how I generate leads there. So I will show you now the 3-step formula in order to put all of these things together, right? So let's go back to my whiteboard. Right, so what are the 3 things that you need to do? Number 1 is build an audience, right? So how do you build an audience? You create content for them, right? You give them something that they want. They give them something that they need, right? So you build an audience, then you engage your audience, right? You find their pain point, what they need, a solution for their problems, right? You find their pain point or their pleasure point, right? You engage with them, and then you sell them. You sell to your audience. So that's it, guys. So you build, engage, and sell. BES. These are the 3-step formula. So if you follow this 3-step formula in your approach to social media, you will definitely build a following and then you will, provide value to them, engage with them, you provide value, you provide a solution to their problems, and then you sell something to them that will actually help them solve their problems. So take, for example, for me, like if people are looking for a way to make money online, I give them some content value, and then I sell to them a solution on how to make money online, and that's how you make you make money online, right? You provide solution to people's problem. All right, so it's a little bit tricky. It's a lot actually. I think I gave you a lot. I hope you're not overwhelmed with information, but it's so simple just to understand this. When your approach to social media is simply not to sell people, but to create content, build yourself as a person that provides value, not really an expert or a guru, because you don't need to do that, right? You don't need to be an expert or a guru to actually make an impact in social media. Just be a person that will provide content, will provide value to people, and then when they come to you, that's how you find their pain point by engaging with them, then you sell them the solution to their problems. Alright guys, so I hope you get value from this video. If you do, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you need help with your online business or your network marketing business, just let me know and I'll be happy to help you in any way I can. Alright, so this is it for today. Millard Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.